Amoy.
Amoy.
Sibuyas.
Sibuyas.
Ang what? Kiriki. I want Beatrice to grow up in Philippines at gusto ko siyang mag-aral sa especially college sa Pilipinas.
2x2.
2x2, the Lion King. Tapos magpanday. Forma naman tayo, ganyan yung life. O, diba? I deserve lunch. Yes, it is. Okay. It's our order. Very fast. Dumating yung packet kanina. So, ang gagawin natin ay atin po, di ba kanina? Buksan natin kung anong laman nito kasi, di ba? Yung isa dito may asthma. So, pag dry ang air, inuubo. Pag sobrang lamig, inuubo. So, we have to maintain the temperature na desirable sa kanilang immune system. So, yun. So, yeah. Ganun natin dito. Naalagaan yung anak natin. Okay. So, let's see what's inside. Let's see. This is actually from Spain, guys. In-order namin online. And it has a good review. That's why in-order namin. So, brush for cleaning. This one. Oh, okay. This is humidifier. We have air purifier. This is humidifier para sa humidity. And then, oh, very nice. Simple concept, huh?
Let's see. What do we have here? Looks pretty neat. Movable tank, of course. But you can refill it. Interesting. Go. This is where you adjust the direction of it. And this is the tank itself. Very interesting. Need to have the manual to check this. There's a brush too. That's good.
And the maximum? What is the maximum?
Maximum is here.
Okay.
Plug in.
Plug it in. Plug it in.
Turn on.
Yes, only turn on. Ooh, wow. Okay, I can even see right away the mist. Look at that. Yeah, di ba? Mist. Wow, okay.
Cool. And so fresh.
No?
And that's on minimum.
It's only minimum. Let's put it in maximum ice. Ooh. Cool mist. Wow, okay.
Okay.
No wonder why it has a very nice review.
Size?
It has a very nice review actually. And it will last 25 hours, no? It says
Yes.
maximum. Yung papa namin wala dito ngayon, guys. Nasa hospital. My husband is going to have an MRI. Every 6 months, meron siyang MRI. Many of you might not be inspired of the life that they have here, but if you know the real story of our life here, and I hope you will learn also, it's more on taking care of the family and value the relationship. And no matter what and who you are when it comes to family life, walang pa profession yan. Pareho pa tayong lahat. So yan, visit guys. Oh,
But no,
Actually, I've been
well,
baking for how many years na dahil sa pag-bake. I'm not a professional baker po. At wala po akong experience at hindi po ako na-train, proper training. All my baking were just based on sa nakikita ko online at saka dahil nga alam mo na kung anong texture ng mga butter na gusto mo. So, it's suddenly na ikaw na mismo gumagawa ng sarili mong recipe. So, yun. Ito siya. Yung tap. Ang sarap niyang.
sarap pa, sarap.
It's like a cake. It's like a cookie. So, guys, Papa is here. Let's eat our lunch. Salmon. Uy. Broccoli, rice. And we have beef salad. Yes, orange. And we have water. Cold water because it's too hot outside. So, alam nyo guys, bakit you have to eat only light food during heat season? So, your body will not exert so much effort and energy
Well,
to...
my ice cream fell out the
Yes.
plate.
to digest the food. Para yung body nyo hindi masyado mag-work. And it's already hot. So, it's also,
Very hot. But
Yes.
today is 29 degrees.
yes. And it's also, the vegetable has water and the fish is light to the tummy. So, it's advisable na you have to eat that kind of food during, especially in hot season. So,
Because if you eat warm food,
you're sweating.
sweat.
It's warm too, but light food. You have to eat light food.
You have to eat like ice cream or whatever. Like a sandwich ice cream. Or like a popsicle.
So everyone, we're going to the city today. Dahil nga, today. This afternoon. Dahil nga si, ni Beatrice. She's going to, my husband will pick up the result. Ayaw ni Beatrice pumunta sa school. Because it's school break where she will go to school, right? So, she doesn't want to go to school because it's school break. She doesn't want to see the school.
See them the whole year, don't need to see them also on your vacation.
Yes, exactly. That's why.
I understand that.
So, Beatrice is there and we're going to the zoo.
I will go to the zoo.
So, yun. Kaming dalawa ay doon kami maggala-gala ng konti dyan kung saan. Pag summer, wala naman masyadong green pa rin. Pag winter, green din. So, ganyan. Green is the color. No? Green grass of hope. So, yan. So guys, we're home. Nag-grocery tayo ng konti. Dahil nga ay mainit. Tayo po ay nag-grocery ng ice cream. Ice cream is life. So ayun guys, nag-grocery tayo. Tapos, dahil mainit nga, bumili tayo ng ice cream. O, diba? Bumili tayo ng ice cream. Meron din dito. Yun, ito yung paborito ng asawa ko. Ito malaki na, 6 na piraso, isang box. Ito, 12 pieces, isang box. So, malaki. So, ito yung nalagay mo natin sa fridge. So, bumili tayo ng cheese. Ang cheese ay D. Siguro dahil processed food, no? Kaya D siya, no? And, jam. We have this sultan pasas. Beatrice loves to have this. This is good for kids, ha? Kasi may iron to yung raisins. So, we already got the result of Beatrice sa school niya. Ito na yung dito. So, anyway. And, nag-shopping tayo kasi habang nagmi-meeting, Beatrice doesn't want to go to school. So, kaya hindi ako sumama doon sa meeting. Then, we bought her some clothes. Kasi nga, I told you, wala nga siya masyadong pambahay. So, binibilhan namin siya time to time. Hindi naman wala. Grabe yung mga suot ngayon, no? Diyos ko. Naliliit. Naliit. Kasya ba sa akin? Pang kasya sa akin to, ah. Kasya sa akin. Pang 10 years old yung binibili namin kay Bea. Muna tayo ng cereal. Hindi mabubuhay yan walang cereal dito. Ang bread. For us later. Yun nga, yun yung pinamili natin today. Kasi nga, habang yung papa niya nasa school, kami naman ay nag-shopping kami ng konti doon sa store. Nagpaiwan kaming dalawa. So, we used to buy these 6 liters of milk. We use 1 liter of milk every day, guys. Minimum. Guys, today, patuloy tayo sa ating construction. May gagawin ako doon sa gilid ng bahay kasi nga, for how many years na nandito kami, hindi namin nadanas yung 200 plus kilometers per hour yung hangin. This year, grabe talaga. So, I need to cover para hindi ma-lift up yung tile just in case. Now, I understand how the people put their roof here. Kasi di ba wala naman ako experience sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Hindi naman ako civil. Mechanical pa ako, guys. So, I will try na i-cover up yun. Yung bra ko. So, it's now 9:15. We just finished our breakfast. May kanya-kanya kami. Beatrice, comb your hair first, please. And clean up your toys before turning on your computer. Okay? Thank you. So, ganun. Ako'y mag-construction. Yung asawa ko ay magpapalit ng kanyang guma.
Good morning. How are you?
Siya magpapalit. So, siya excited na yun. Sino bang hindi lalaki excited na palitan yung guma niya? Yung ano niya, bagong guma niya, bigay yun ng pera ng papa niya. Mga for 28,000 pesos ang value eh. Say it in Filipino. Amoy.
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 Sibuyas.
Sibuyas.
Ang what? Kilikili. Tawang-tawa eh. Tawang-tawa yung bata. Amoy sibuyas ang kilikili ni?
Mama.
See? Marunong na mag-ano ng sentence in Filipino. Ito yun, guys. Hancock. Uwe.
2 by 2.
2 by 2 by 2, the Lion King. Yan. So guys, na-set up na natin yung ladder, yung scaffolding. Dahil yung asawa ko dito, sinit up ko mag-isa. Ayan. Tingnan nyo kung paano ko na-set up. Kayong nabahala. So, now to fill the gap there. Ang hirap dahil wala akong taga-video. Ako video, stop video. Para may pang vlog, di ba? Tingnan yung itsura ng lola nyo, guys. Cute. Guys, I cannot finish it. It's too hot na. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Yan. Ito yung natapos natin. Ito pang hindi. Let's scrub. Ayan. Ayan. Dalawang tayo na lang sana eh. It's too hot. Ayan. Itsura ng panday. How is it?
Great feeling, huh?
Really?
I have to say.
This is bigger, no?
No, it's the same size.
It's the same size.
These are all the other end. But what the difference is? Wow. What the...
Can you say how I put the, how do you call that, scaffolding? No, tell me. No,
What now?
I make it alone.
It's upside down, but otherwise it's...
Yes, it's upside down.
Yeah.
It's better like that, it's more stable.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. You can make it the way...
How do you know why it's upside down? This is the top is for the extension.
This is where the feet are sitting.
I put it like that because the other one is much stable.
It only matters the way you...
It's upside down,
Yeah, it's good one.
but it's not shaking.
No. Well, because
You know, it's more stable like that. It's short the
because it's
bottom.
wider. The other one is thinner.
You know, I want to cook. And then, I can't cook. I don't have tomato paste. So, what now? It's already 12. I will wash. Oh, I will wash first. I'll wash myself. I'm so sick.
Yeah, you need to.
Pedro, I'm so smelly.
I know.
I'm tired.
I can hear it. I can smell it. Yeah, let's go.
Guys, how's the feeling of a new Hankook tire?
Yeah, good. I drove it now 2 kilometers. Only feeling, and you know, it's the hearing, even from the sounds. Now I know everything is AAA.
No, you know, my father loves it so much.
I cannot blame him. Let's see how long they will last, but
Yeah.
I'm confident they're very good. They're good with me. They are silent.
I told you guys, my father was so proud of that Hankook tire that I bought before. 2009. 5 years, hindi pan tapos. Tapos ngayon, nandun, yun pa rin yata, since 2009, binili ko yun. 2008, 2010, bumalik ako from Japan. So guys, we're going to eat lunch. Tapos magpanday. Forma naman tayo, ganyan yung life, di ba? After looking like a beggar there. Panday-panday. Ganyan yung life ko dito, guys. After panday, shopping. O, diba? I deserve lunch. And Beatrice is there. Oh, pretty ng baby ni Mama. Big girl na yung little girl namin. Diba? Dati maliit pa yun. Ang cute-cute pa dati noon. Walang teeth. Na, you're so cute when you were baby. You don't have teeth and with so much fat. Na, so pretty na. Oh, smile, babe. Okay. Wave, hello Filipino. Yan. Okay. Kakain muna kami. Tapos, yun lang. Mag-window shopping tayo. So, we're home and Beatrice will show you. Kasi excited siya sa damit niya. So, she will show you what she's got. Wow!
Now cut a gun.
It's okay. Show them what you've got, the other. Yeah? No, when it's shirt, you have to show like that. Yeah? Oh, why? She got that. This is 11 to 12 years old.
Wow.
Dahil yung binili namin kapon sa kanya, yung isang bag, nandun. Isa sa uli namin yun. I-replace namin ng size kasi yung binili ko 9 to 10. Sobrang liit. This is very nice, Bea.
It's a beautiful shorts. Look at on the bottom.
Yes. Beautiful. See? Are you happy?
Yes,
Are you happy?
yes.
So guys, ito yung binili natin sa kanya. 11 to 12 years old. Pang ano naman to? Pantulog. Kasi premium stainless steel frying pan. Parang bigat. Stainless. Yung pangitan ng mga pants ko, diba? May presentable na pants naman ako. So, yun lang. At saka, tomorrow ko, we will continue. Maybe tomorrow, yung construction namin. So, yan. Thank you for watching, guys. Please support my channel. Bye!